Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we're doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves to a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded that transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is a little different. I am reading the introduction of my newly published book. It's all about thinking in different perspectives and challenging the what if question, fear that we all have. We're taught not to ask about the what ifs. We're not taught not to explore the what ifs. But what if we do? Here's the introduction chapter. Have you ever asked yourself a what if question? Upon reflecting on the question, did it cause you anxiety, confusion, pull you off a focused road, or bombard you with thoughts that you could not seem to hone in or control? If you have felt this way, it is safe to say that it is not a very good or productive road, and certainly one you don't want to stay on for too long. In fact, if you Google what ifs, you will find advice, counseling tips, and information about how to stop these questions or cycles in your life. In other words, it is advisable to stay away from the what if questions. The very book you are listening to proposing the exact opposite by introducing a different way of thinking and living a life of asking yourself one question routinely. That's right. Always ask, what if? Controversial suggestion? Debatable? Maybe. Thought-provoking? Interesting? Hopefully. The idea is not to get stuck in destructive what ifs, but to excitedly think that a what if thought could help you regain power that you didn't even know you lost along the way, or maybe never had, and to allow transformation in your life. Choices matter. Knowing that you have a choice matters. Decide today to embark on a personal journey with this short, to the point, easy to listen to, yet sometimes challenging book that will bring your everyday perspectives into question and promise transformation and change as you allow. Did I catch your attention? Pique your thirst for knowledge? Possibly nudge your curiosity? Dive in. Kick off your new beginning. It is time to see your life as a blank canvas every day. Have the courage to believe that it is never too late for transformation, and discover that true change comes from the inside out. You will hear questions in this book. I ask them for a reason. In other words, there is a method to my delivery. If you don't ask yourselves questions to challenge your own perspectives in your life, you are doing yourself a disservice right there. Challenging yourself is a great way to grow, strengthen relationships, and gain valuable and fresh viewpoints that may actually surprise you. The process of exploring and examining, otherwise known as reflection, helps you gain valuable insight to see how to continuously move forward with a more expansive viewpoint, or should I say, to broaden your horizons. You'll also find the chapters are on the shorter side for a reason. Personal development and brain retraining can be overwhelming, and shorter chapters will help you process and quickly re-listen to grab those brass ring nuggets that have the power to transform. Caution. Stop. make a pact. P-A-C-T stands for principle plus action equals courageous transformation. Some critical nuggets or truthful principles are set forth right here, right now. And the best time to decide to make your pact with yourself is at this moment. Did you catch that? This is your journey and your choice. Let's ponder on some nuggets. This is a personalized journey that you willingly take and deliberately continue. This book is about self-reflection and encourages you to do so. This book promises to bring a fresh perspective into your everyday thinking that you might not even know you need. This book will present principles and truth and nuggets for you to ponder. Principles and truth alone will not change your life, your thoughts, or your attitudes. If you're listening to and have not turned this podcast off, I'm willing to bet that you're ready, able, and willing to go on this personal journey, dive deep, and have a heart that is always wanting to learn and grow. Kudos to you. Welcome to your deciding point. Make a pact with yourself. Principles plus action equals courageous transformation for you. Say it out loud. Say it again. Own it and commit to it. Be unwilling to accept anything less than deep discovery into growth, insight, and transformation for yourself and no one else. This journey, my friend, is for you. The only thing left to do right now is to welcome yourself to your new chapter in life. Here's to your courageous transformation. That is my introduction chapter to my book, Always Ask, What If? It's about getting and opening our eyes up to a different perspective. It's about awakening, learning, evolving, transforming, and becoming. A very small, powerful question can bring enlightenment and produce powerful change in your life. You decide. If you are interested in my book, I would love for you to check out the link. It is free shipping, and my hope is that it affects positively in people's lives. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining today in Butterfly Thoughts with Kelly Savage.